It's time to stop being a nice person. The more nicer you are, the more people take advantage of you. Being nice is the fastest way for people to lose respect for you. And psychology actually shows that people disrespecting you is often a reaction to the signals you send to people, either consciously or unconsciously. Being a nice person is ruining your life. Let me tell you how. Look at how your colleagues at work interrupt you in meetings. They assume it's okay to keep doing so, and they continue to do so. Because why? You're a nice person and there's nothing you can do about it. You keep allowing them to give you extra work because you're that person that goes above and beyond for everybody else. But you, of course, you don't have limits. You're nice. You cannot say no. Or even in your relationship, see how badly he treats you because he knows you're a nice girl. You cannot go anywhere or you cannot do anything about it. So he keeps doing that. He keeps treating you badly because you're a nice girl. See, the thing is, if you're overly nice, you're giving people this feeling that it's okay to disregard you. It's okay to treat you badly because you're okay with it. You're okay to play with. You're not showing them that there's any consequences or anything that comes as a result of treating you that way. So they keep treating you that way. But don't worry, this is about to change after you watch this video to the end. Listen, today I'm sharing 7 powerful ways where you can instantly command respect without saying a word. And the first way is by knowing that respect starts with you. People do not just wake up and decide who deserves respect and who does not. They observe and they see your behavior over time. They read your energy, they see your patterns, they see how you react to things when pushed over. They see how you respond to situations when everything gets uncomfortable. And subconsciously, they can be asking themselves questions like, how will she react if I treat her this way? And based on those answers, based on how they see you, based on how they think of you, they will adjust their behavior accordingly. So based on how they see you, they will treat you accordingly. Because people will always, almost always, mirror the respect back at you. The respect they see you giving yourself, they will mirror it back at you. So take note, respect yourself. And after you respect yourself, then you will see other people respecting you. You will notice a change or a shift in how people relate to you, in how people treat you. So 2, maintain and control your emotions. Maintaining and controlling your emotion is one of the fastest way that you will get respect from people, because respect is built on self-command. It's not built on people pleasing. Nice people react emotionally. They explain themselves excessively and soften their boundaries to avoid discomfort, while powerful people, they stay composed. They stay unshaken no matter the situation. When you're able to control yourself emotionally, you tell people that you cannot be manipulated easily. You cannot be intimidated. The moment other people realize they cannot provoke you, they cannot guilt trip you, they cannot pull you into their chaos, their behavior towards you shifts. This is how you command respect instantly, by remaining calm, remaining unmoved, unshaken, by showing people that you have everything under control, that nothing moves you, that you are in control of whatever is happening to you and how you're reacting to it. Standing and walking with confidence is another thing. This is the silent command that tells people how to treat you before you even speak, because the body communicates authority faster than even your words. Confidence posture is not about being arrogant or exaggeration. It's about being there. The presence, being there like you're meant to be there, taking up space like you're meant to be there. There's no need to be this person that's shrinking yourself and you're avoiding eye contact. You're too nice and you don't want to take up the space. You're not even sure you're supposed to be there. No, that's not how it's supposed to be done. Be that person who walks with confidence and boldness. Be that person who walks calmly, unhurried. You're taking your time. It tells a lot about you. It tells people how to respect you. You're telling these people that you don't need permission to exist. You don't need anyone's validation, and you don't need any approval from anybody, because you're taking up that space and you're walking with confidence. When your body language is aligning with your inner self, with your inner certainty, even the other people around you will feel it, and they will respect you in accordance to how they feel about you. So it will come naturally. The respect will come naturally. The next one, upgrade your looks and take pride in your appearance. This is the most immediate and non-verbal ways that people can command respect naturally, because people make judgment long before you even speak. They just look at you and they see how you are. They just look at you and see how you appear, and naturally it will click in their minds where to place you. And this is not about wearing trends or wearing flashy clothes or wearing expensive labels. It's about wearing with intention. When you dress yourself well, when you groom yourself well, you pay attention to the details, you signal self-respect, you signal a discipline and high standards for yourself, and people will instantly rise or fall to meet your level you set. How you look and how you wear communicates to people on how to value you. When you upgrade yourself, you're sending a clear message to people that you take yourself seriously. And when you do that, like when you take yourself seriously, other people have no choice but to do the same to you. they will take you seriously. The next one, saying no more often. The more available you are, the more constantly accommodating you are, the less people will value you. Stop jumping at every request. Stop being available for everybody. You know, you will receive a phone call. Can you show up this weekend? You show up. Can you show up this and this place? Like all the time. You're accessible. Like there's no day someone will call you and then you will have something to do. You will always be available. Now that makes people not respect you. Another one is speak and express yourself with confidence. When you have something to say it anyway. When you clearly express your thoughts, when you clearly express your ideas, your disagreements, like if there's something you're not agreeing to and you clearly speak it out without fear of judgment, without fear of criticism, like what will they say? When you just speak about it anyway, you're giving people the space, you're giving people the assurance in their mind that you trust your own judgment, and that alone puts you in a position where authority and respect will come naturally. And the final one, keep your promises and do what you said you will do. Doing this is the fastest way to command your respect. Many people speak confidently about what they're gonna do. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, with so much confidence, but then they lack to deliver. And over time, you know, what happens is people lose trust in you. And when they lose trust in you, they cannot respect you. Powerful people know that every promise is a reflection of their character. Somehow people will doubt your character, and this doesn't only apply to promises made to others, but also promises made to yourself. Remember, people are watching to see the kind of standards you have for yourself and how you treat yourself. The promises you keep to yourself, do you deliver? And the moment others realize that you really mean what you say, you really do what you're meant to do, then the respect is just automatic. Respect is not demanded, it's demonstrated through how you speak, how you walk, how you talk, and how you show up for yourself every day. If this resonated with you, watch my next video where I speak about how to make people respect your boundaries. If you're ready to step up into the woman whose presence is taken seriously, who is highly respected by people, subscribe for more content like this. As you know, this channel is for ambitious women who want to level up and change the entire story. So click the bell to get notifications on new videos. And as always, it's been a pleasure. Adios.